excellence. Noise, performed by Zach, Ashley, Sam, Andy, Sasha, Colby, Greg, Andrew, Caroline, Will, and Bethany. They finish off tonight's group acts with an inspirational musical statement of acceptance, fighting silence, and equality. A song passionately urging people to stand for those treated unjustly simply for who they are and who they love. This group of young adults dream of a day when people no longer feel forced to hide away who they truly are, and instead are filled with hope and love. Let's make some noise for noise.
Marriage is the union of husband and wife for a reason. It's natural.
I not only want don't ask, don't tell for the military, I want don't ask, don't tell for all of society.
At his funeral, an outpouring of love. Family, friends, complete strangers, all paying tribute to Jamie Rodemeyer, all hoping a tragic loss can send a message of tolerance.
To give respect for everyone, no matter gay, straight, or bi, lesbian, transgender.
The most haunting in hindsight from May of this year, just after Jamie came out to friends and family.
I'm just here to tell you that it does get better.
On September 18th, Jamie was found dead outside his Buffalo home, a suicide.
Things will get easier, people's minds will change, and you should be alive to see it.
If